So the Atom chart is one that, I mean, we covered it regularly also in our member live streams. I think it was requested every week for the last few weeks. So this is still an A-B structure, and the chart so far managed to hold long-term support. And it is one of the charts that gave us a 1-2 setup that looked a bit messy, but the invalidation line wasn't broken, at least not so far. So if we assume a B wave low might have bottomed there or formed in March, then we see this as a 1-2 setup. There was a 5-wave move up, and maybe even here to the top, 5 waves up in wave 1, and then ABC structure in wave 2. And the market could now be in a 3rd wave. And then we'll see now if the market can form 5 waves, the next 5 waves, basically. I mean, the next objective for the bulls will be a break above this swing high here, this area around like 515 to 550. Need to get above that range. And in terms of projections, we want the 3rd wave get to at least, yeah, it might extend because just the way it looks. So in order to avoid an overlap, let's say it like that, with wave 4 and wave 1, we should see the 3rd wave probably get to around about 690, 740 or so. We'll see if it does that. But yeah, that would be the next objective for the bulls. Get 5 waves. Don't get me wrong, this is not a reliable chart because, at least not a beautiful 1-2 setup, because this wave 2 was massive. That's okay. I mean, it does look like a 3-wave flat correction, but it was also very deep. But we'll see. I mean, for now, if we can get above this range there, then we might see it grind towards the $7 area next, I would say. And then we can add support for wave 4. But when we go higher, what it must not do in a 4th wave, it must not overlap with wave 1. So that means ideally we stay above the green line. Once we've broken it, ideally we stay above that green line around $5.20. But overall, yeah, carefully optimistic here. And looking for the market to get to around about $7 or so. Yeah. And 5 waves should get us then to around about $8, $9. That would at least look good as a 5-wave move.